Hey everybody, welcome to Algo Prep Master, and in this video I'm going to show you how to declare variables in JavaScript and what's the difference between var, const, and let, and when to use them. I feel like it's a frequently asked question in interviews and something that's very important to know when you're working with JavaScript. So let's start with const. Const is a constant variable that you can't change. So if we have a const 1 and we set 1 to it, and then we try to set 2 to it, this is what happens when you log it to the console. It's mad. Now, if we change that to var, that will run and give us 2. So that's basically what const is. It's a variable that's constant and we're not going to change it. However, if for example you have an array or object, you can change those. So for example, if we have an array of 1 and 2, and then we do 1 on shift and we add 0 to it, we're gonna get an array that's 0, 1, and 2. Okay, so now I want to show you guys what's the difference between var and let. So if we have a function here, function x that takes an argument of a, I know it looks beautiful, and we have parentheses in here, and we have var 1 equals to 1 and var 2 equals to 2. So the main difference between var and let is that var is in the whole function scope and let is only in the block scope, and I'm going to show you how it looks. So if we try to console log it to the console 1 and 2 right now and call our function, we're going to get 1 and 2. But if we change one of them to let, we're going to get an error. 2 is not defined. That's because let only works in the block scope and var works in the function scope. So usually when you work with JavaScript, ES6, you would want to use let more, just to have less errors and less problems, less issues with your code. But there are also sometimes that you would use var and const, obviously, when you have a constant. And this is how you're going to know the difference between them and when to use them. And also how to explain that if you get asked that in an interview. So I hope it helped you guys out. I've seen a few videos about it, but it was a little bit complicated for me to understand through the videos. So I tried to make it more understandable, something that I would understand. So yeah, I really hope it helps. And if you guys like it, please subscribe and leave a thumbs up. And till the next one, guys. Peace out.